Hey guys, before we get this video started, I want to give a big shout out to our channel partner, Mint Mobile, guys. They are still doing the promo for us on the $15 a month for the unlimited plan, guys. Why don't you go check them out with the link down below, mintmobile.com/Carlos. And it rides on the T-Mobile network, and they have great customer service, guys. Wanted to let you guys know that. Give them the app is great to use. Everything's smooth operations. I will not be sticking my neck out if this wasn't a good partnership. So why don't you check them out with the link down below. It lets them know that Lo sent you, and let's get this video started. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video here on the channel. So what we're doing, guys, is we're testing AT&T again on the 5G Plus, but I want to show you guys some. Guess what we have here? We have actual standalone. As you can see right there, band 5 is the primary band. It was 77, but here, let's airplane mode it real quick. Let's see if maybe we can get a 77 in here. Let's see real quick. It's refreshing. Let's see, can we get it? Nope. So it's gonna prefer band 5 as the primary. All right, let's speed test it, guys. Let's see what the heck is going on with it. Oh, look at that jet, guys. Look at that. That's coming from Nellis Air Force Base. So we're looking at a 43 ping, 3 jitter, 584 down. Yeah, the upload is not that impressive when it's N5. I noticed that. And 20.4 on the upload. Let's test it again. 42 ping, 4 jitter. $608 down. And this is on N5 10 megahertz and then n77 80, just because this one does not have DOD. So 608 by 21.4. That is not a bad performing site, guys. As you guys see, once again, we'll try to zoom in one more time. See if it'll clear up a little bit, the focus. Let's see there. There you go. That's the site. All right, guys. We just want to make a quick short video on this. Thank you for tuning in. As you guys could see, AT&T standalone is on. Thank you to the channel members for always showing love and support. Also, guys, remember to hit that like. Come on, hit that like. Let's get the engagement up. Please, guys, hit that like. It's free. All right? Thank you again, channel members, and have a great one. Peace. Well, guys, as we're going to end the video and get it done, it connected to the primary band as 77. So let's see how that does. 42 ping, 3 jitter. Not bad. So N77 is the primary band right now. 596 down. Well, the upload improved a little bit, but same. About the same. 24.9 on the up. Let's check one more time. Are we connected still to 77? Standalone as a primary. And it looks like we are. Yeah, guys. All right. That was the end teaser. Remember to hit that like. Peace. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.